Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English listening channel. Today, we are going to learn common English words used in a gym. Have you ever wondered how gym workouts impact your overall health? Regular gym exercise improves cardiovascular health and strengthens muscles. According to WHO, adults should aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly. Strength training at the gym can increase muscle mass by up to 20% in months. Exercise also boosts mental health by reducing anxiety and depression symptoms. Gym workouts vary from cardio to weightlifting, each targeting different fitness goals. Studies show consistent gym attendance improves sleep quality significantly. The gym environment motivates many to stay committed to their fitness routines. Overall, gym workouts contribute to longer, healthier lives according to research. Understanding these facts highlights why gym fitness is vital for well being. In this video, we will watch a story about two friends, Sam and Leo. Sam wants to start a healthy life, so they decide to visit a local gym. Listen closely to their pronunciation and vocabulary. Let's get started.
Oh, Leo, walk a little slower, please. I am so out of breath today. My energy is very low.
Sam, you get tired so easily these days. You spend all day sitting on the sofa and watching television. You need some physical activity.
I know. I want to become healthy and strong, but I do not know what to do. I feel too lazy to run alone.
Why don't we join a gym together? Exercise is much more fun when you do it with a friend. I can help you stay motivated.
That is a fantastic idea. If you come with me, I will definitely go. Is there a good gym near our neighborhood?
Yes, there is a new fitness center just 2 blocks away called Fit Life Gym. Let's go there right now and take a look around. Look at this place, Sam. It is huge and very clean.
Wow, you are right. The lighting is great, and there are so many interesting machines.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Welcome to Fit Life Gym. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. My friend Sam wants to get fit, and I want to renew my gym routine. We would like to get a tour of the gym first.
Of course. We love showing people around. My name is Coach Mark. Follow me, and I will show you our different exercise areas.
These machines look very modern. Are they difficult to operate?
Not at all. I will teach you how to use them safely on your first day. Now, let's look at the other side. This is our strength training area. We have dumbbells of all weights, weight benches, and resistance machines. Lifting weights helps you build strong muscles.
See, Sam? This is exactly what you need to build those muscles.
Everything looks absolutely perfect, Coach Mark. I really want to join. What are your membership fees?
We have a special discount this month for new members. It is only $30 per month, and it includes full access to all machines and lockers.
$30 is a very good price. Count me in, too.
Me too. I am ready to sign the form right now. When can we start our first official workout?
You can start tomorrow morning. I recommend you bring a water bottle, a small towel, and wear comfortable sports shoes.
Thank you so much, Coach Mark. See you tomorrow morning.
You are very welcome. Welcome to the fitness family, guys. Have a great day.
Welcome back. Did you enjoy the story of Sam and Leo? Now, let's review some important vocabulary words from their conversation. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Out of breath. This means you are breathing very heavily and quickly because you are tired. To be motivated means you have a strong desire and energy to do something. Urdu/Hindi meaning, Purjosh hona ya kuch karn ka jazba hona. Example sentence, Leo helped Sam feel motivated to join the gym. Cardio. Cardio is any exercise that makes your heart beat faster, like running or cycling. Example, running on the treadmill is a great cardio workout. This is an exercise using heavy things, like dumbbells, to make your muscles bigger and stronger. Example, Coach Mark showed them the strength training area. Discount. A discount is a reduction in the usual price of something. It means you pay less money. Example, the gym offered a special discount for new members. Excellent job today. Try to use these 5 new words in your daily conversations. Practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.